Good evening. Today is December 5, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 5, 2023 Tuesday. Here are the SL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of December 5, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.